What's up guys, we're here at Sonoma Raceway with Lightspeed track events, and we are in Patrick's 2008 Honda S2000. We already drove this car in the canyons, and I gotta say it actually performed better than I expected for how absolutely purpose-built this car is. It's absolutely a track car, it's not a street car, there's not even side windows. We're here at Sonoma Raceway to see what this thing can really do. You said 400 wheel horsepower?
Yeah,
on E85,
yeah.
Which you have right now, right?
Yeah, I think right now probably E60.
E60?
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably.
Either way, it's about double the stock horsepower of this car. Stripped out the interior. What's the weight with the cage?
Everything with me is 2800.
With you?
Yeah, with
So
me.
the car itself probably in the 2600 something range.
Yeah.
So I'll put the full list of mods in the video description. JRZ suspension, is that right?
Yeah.
RS Pro 2-way, 16 kilogram front and rear.
Yeah, front and rear.
Full J's Racing wide body kit. We have a what, OS Geekin LSD?
Yeah, and the Wisefab.
And Wisefab kit.
Yeah.
Now tell me, what's the purpose for the Wisefab kit? You really need the extra steering angle?
More grip and lighter, because previously my auto control arm a little bit rust. So
Okay.
to replace for a new OEM one, pay a little more, I can get the Wisefab.
Wisefab. Also the Wisefab increases your track width, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah.
We're on A052 tires, right?
Yes.
What's the width all around?
295 square.
295 square.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing should be absolutely insane. Let's see how it does. All right, I've had zero warm-up today. All I've done is drive my Mustang as a pace car, but hopefully since it's an S2000 and I've driven like probably 50 S2000s, it should be pretty easy. I didn't get any really good laps, but the kind of good one was a 152.
Yeah, I saw it.
I couldn't do sub 50. The biggest challenge for me driving this car is the brakes.
Yeah.
Like the initial push, nothing happens.
Yeah.
I have to get really hard into the pedal, so I missed a couple of the braking zones.
Yeah, exactly.
I was starting to get used to it at the end though. I just have to like press the brakes like about a second earlier.
Yeah.
I'll let it cool down a little bit.
Thank you.
You know, I was surprised that GT3 that passed us at the end, he was pulling on us.
Yeah.
But you have 400 wheel horsepower.
Yeah, I think probably I'm too heavy. And maybe his car is very light. I think
that's possible.
Yeah.
This car's cornering speed is really high though. I think the 295 tire, and maybe with the Wisefab, I don't have much steering feel. Like it's very numb, but there's a lot of grip.
Yeah.
I just can't really feel where the grip is. Yeah. If that makes sense.
Maybe you need more time to familiar with it.
Yeah. I almost lost it in that one corner.
Yeah. But it's okay.
Well, that's what I meant. Like, I was like, okay, good. And then all of a sudden, it just steps out.
Yeah, you feel the...
It's very sudden. But the car is super fun.
52.
And that wasn't even a good lap. This car can definitely go sub 50.
Yeah. Well, but it's already very fast. Yeah, your brake point is so in front of me.
Yeah.
I'm still a little bit nervous.
Well, I mean, this car's not easy to drive.
Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah, it is pretty challenging to drive hard. Overall, super fun car. Thanks again, man.
Yeah,
appreciate it. We're gonna be driving a similarly track modified GR Supra with stock power in about an hour or two. So I'll be curious to see what the lap time difference is.
That's good.
Yeah. All right, guys. See you in the next video.